Today I'm going to be making this rug into a basket. The first thing I did was soak my rug in some OxyClean because it was dirty, and then I let it dry overnight. Then I folded it in half and I folded it in half again, making sure that all the edges were lined up nice and neat. Then I measured out 4 inches and I cut through all 4 layers. Then I unfolded my rug and I hot glued the flap, just the left half of the flap, and then I folded that side over it. And then I did the same thing on the other side. I hot glued and I folded the flap over. Then I hot glued up the side, and this formed one side of my basket. Then I repeated the same thing on the other side. I hand stitched a couple of spots just to make sure that they were really reinforced. Then I folded the flap down, and this is what my basket looked like. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like after.